The abs are real. मेकअप नहीं डाला है उन्होंने. क्या दिख रहा है? उदित looks so good. Delete and block. Actually मैं बहुत ही simple है. Call Me Bae season 2 हम शुरू करने वाले हैं इसको. Yeah.
Got the scoop, got the scoop.
Yes.
Yeah, he's like, I've never met Shah Rukh Khan, and I know it's possible.
Okay, so now moving on to my favorite round. That's called BL Quickie. We need quick answers for the quick questions.
Yes, rapidly मतलब एकदम fast.
Okay.
गलत भी निकल जाए तो
किधर है पर? मैं इसको ले रही हूँ घर.
इन बेचारों के पास एक ही दो है.
Okay, there you go.
Okay, favorite song to sing.
Like
Favorite
anywhere.
song to sing Whenever Wherever by Shakira. I love
Okay.
that song.
Go to karaoke jam.
Oh, you know, that's actually the answer. My karaoke song is Whenever Wherever by Shakira. My favorite song to sing? Probably Kabira.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dream collaboration.
Arijit Singh.
Arijit Singh. So hidden fact about Ishan Khattar.
Hidden fact is the abs are real. Makeup नहीं डाला है उन्होंने. Real abs है सब.
बेटा मन में लड्डू फूटा.
Blushing already.
Gaurika's big fan. Ananya Pandey.
Sweetest person on earth. She's so funny and she's so sweet and relatable.
Bhumi Pednekar.
Hard worker. The hardest working person.
Kareena Kapoor Khan.
Oh my God. I'm just speechless. That's actually my word for her.
So how's Vihan?
Vihan is funny. He's very funny.
Sonam Kapoor.
Fashion. Diva.
Udit.
Udit Arora is, you know, so handsome. Actually, my word for him is when I saw him on screen,
Yeah.
like once the series premiered, I said, "Kya dikh raha hai? Udit looks so good." So yeah, Udit is handsome.
I had a conversation with him and I said कि I felt really bad for you.
Yeah.
और जो आपके साथ हुआ ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए.
होना नहीं चाहिए, because
And in the
वो
next
भी
season you
सुंदर
deserve
होना.
somebody, you know.
आप भी बहुत अच्छे लगते हो. What happened?
Okay. Lisha Mishra.
Lisa Mishra.
Hidden facts.
Yes.
Facts actually.
Facts.
Hidden fact about me.
Yeah.
I'm really good at accents.
Yes, you are. Yes. Yes.
That's my hidden fact.
And more, you know.
Accent
Something
like
about-
British, American,
Yeah,
anything,
that's
anything.
so easy for me.
Okay, if you have to say you're beautiful in 3 different accents.
Okay, I'll do, well, the normal one is American for me. You're beautiful. British is, you're beautiful. You look amazing. And then if I'm being French, you are beautiful. It is amazing.
Wow.
You are looking so good.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. छा गई तुसी.
And we have one
छा गई
Punjabi.
तुसी. That's how I can stand out, you know. I cannot do that. They're beautiful. Okay, so your biggest turn off.
Bad hygiene. Bad hygiene smell.
What's your cheat meal?
Cheat meal, chicken fingers. Chicken tenders, chicken fingers. Wow.
Okay.
How's a morning routine like? You know, are you an early morning person or like?
I'm a very early morning person. This is so crazy. 5:30 बजे मैं उठती हूँ सुबह. टेनिस
हमारी 9
खेलती
बजे
हूँ.
आंखें निकलती हैं 10 बजे.
The
6
morning
से
meeting is
7:30
like-
तक मैं टेनिस खेलती हूँ. उसके बाद एक स्मूदी पीती. I'm very
Oh wow.
routine. So 5 days a week I'm up at 5:30 in the morning. Otherwise I sleep until 7:38.
Okay. Biggest secret about this industry that you want to reveal?
Everybody knows everybody. And there's a way to get to know everybody. I think it's no one is a stranger in the industry in a good way. I think it's very easy to meet somebody. Like I'm saying that I've never met Shah Rukh Khan, and I know it's possible, but I think God is telling me, wait, kar.
हो जाएगा.
हो जाएगा, अभी नहीं.
Okay, you Bollywood crush.
Bollywood
Apart
crush.
from SRK, you know,
yeah,
from
I know.
today's
From
time,
today's
see.
time, my Bollywood crush. Who's my crush? Give me some names.
Or any, you know, person you
Ranveer
stu-
Singh is my forever crush. I love Ranveer. Oh my god.
You had a suggestion, no?
Ranveer
yeah,
Singh.
Ranveer Singh in Rocky Rani, Ranveer Singh in Ram Leela. क्या दिखता है Ram Leela में? Ranveer Singh in Ladies vs. Ricky Vale. I love Ranveer. He's just a vibe. I love it.
Yeah, he is. You know, what all, you know, survival tips would you like to give to the people who are, you know, aspiring actors, aspiring singers,
Yeah.
जो अपनी hope छोड़ ही देते हैं कि 1-2 try के बाद.
नहीं भाई लगे रहो क्योंकि मुझे तो 11 साल लगा म्यूजिशियन बनने के लिए और 5 साल ऑडिशंस दिए मैंने until I got Call Me Bae. So please just keep going. और आपको जब ये लग रहा है कि आज मैं छोड़ रही हूँ मुझे और मेहनत नहीं डालनी है, I'm telling you the next day your luck will open. It's always what's happened with me. The day or the month before I decide I'm quitting music, कुछ हो नहीं रहा है मेरे से, 1 week before that, it was Tarifa. Like I was telling myself, नहीं होगा मेरे से, 11 साल लगी रही हूँ इसमें. Happened. In my acting, I was like, कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है, सब reject हो रहे हैं, characters reject हो रहे हैं, auditions reject हो रहे हैं, and I was just like, then I got the call for Call Me Bae. So just keep going.
Trust in yourself.
Trust in the process and
Correct.
trust in yourself. हो जाएगा.
Universe.
Yeah, just keep working hard. And if you think कि आप में कुछ कमी है, आप में कमी नहीं है, I think it's just the right timing, especially for actors. They have a specific thing in mind जब casting करते हैं. Maybe you are not right for that role.
Yeah.
पर ऐसा नहीं सोचो कि this is not right for me. Time है. It'll happen. It'll happen.
That's wonderful. And one more question, your favorite Bollywood film? क्योंकि आप बहुत
Oh,
देखते हो
it's such a
Bollywood.
tough question because I have so many. I
Okay.
really am a
One which
Bollywood
you can
junkie.
Watch on loop.
Kal Ho Na Ho. Again and
Wonderful.
again,
Yeah.
500 times I can watch that film. Kal Ho
Okay.
Na Ho, Tal. I love Tal. And a little more recent, I would say probably Rocky Rani.
Okay.
I love Rocky Rani.
So one more question, because actor ki life, it's full of limelight and all, but at the same time there's a criticism part also which comes in. There's the comment section, people who love
Trolling
you, people
वगैरह,
trolling.
हाँ.
So what is your mantra of staying positive and ignoring all these things?
Delete and block. Actually, बहुत ही simple है.
But you might lose followers as well, so
ठीक
it
है.
works.
It's okay. I think the people who are rooting for you and the people who want you to win will stick with you. And जो सब negative लोग होते हैं, they're anyways not your fans. They're not, if they're not rooting for you and they're not supporting you and they're kicking you while you're down, you don't want them in your life. ऐसे treatment आप दोस्तों से तो नहीं tolerate करोगे ना. तो why from fans? वो तो और भी पराई है. So if you won't take that from the people that you know, why will you take it from people you don't know?
Okay. So आपके हाथ में बहुत सारे tattoos दिख रहे हैं.
And
And
the story.
yes.
Sure, I'll tell you a few of them. All of my tattoos are about my family or where I'm from. I have a set of stars here,
Yes,
which are the
right.
4 stars from the flag of Chicago, which is where I'm from. Then I have a nazar here because I had
It's
bad.
important.
I had bad luck for a lot
My
of
dear.
years. है
My
ना?
dear.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Because and then I wear this dhaga as well for the same thing, because I had bad luck for a lot of years. And then I was like, इसको छाप देते. I need to make
Arya Bhatt
sure.
had this black tika in the cans look.
Yeah, it's
Like,
great.
It was very visible, and it protects everybody.
I genuinely believe in energy and protecting your energy, so I agree with that. तो एक नज़र हाथ के पीछे है. And then my dad grows a lot of the food that he eats, which is really cool. He's a banker full time, but he loves, ये उनका शौक है. So he grows peonies for my mom. So I have this tattooed. It's her favorite flower, and he grows them for her. And my favorite thing that he grows is raspberries. So I have that tattooed here. And some other little stories all over. But it's all from my sister, my dad, my family, my mom, my dad. Everything is about my family.
That's
So
great.
thoughtful,
And one
that's
message you have for your fans, what's coming, ab kya aane
Yeah.
wala hai, with whom,
Yes.
quick insight scope you can give.
My biggest gift to you guys right now is stream Teri Hoon when it comes out on June 5th, because I think for people who've loved Tarifa, who've loved Sajnave, Nain Tahire, Jaun Jaan Se, any of these beautiful big songs that I've made, this is the song for you. I'm back to doing romance, so you can now rest easy. I'm doing what I know and I'm doing what you know. So enjoy Teri Hoon and
Dedicated to the love of your life.
dedicated to the love of your life, and use it as your first dance. Aapki shaadi mein is pe nacho. It's a beautiful song.
Yes.
And then the second thing I have coming up is Call Me Bae season 2. हम शुरू करने वाले हैं इसका shoot.
Ooh,
Yeah.
got the scoop, got the scoop.
Yes.
Yeah, he's like, but in a few months.
Yeah.
We're gonna start this year to shoot season 2, and I know आप सब तड़प रहे हैं देखने को. Even I want to know what happens in season 2. हमें तो अभी तक script नहीं मिली है, so I'm excited to read and see what's going on with all the characters. And more music, more romantic ballads, big numbers, and hopefully you guys pray that I get more roles on screen and I can give back to you.
Manifestations coming in. So all the very best for your life.
Thank
for
you,
your
guys. This
future.
was so fun.
And yeah, same. Thank you
Yes.
so much, Lisa. It
Yes,
was
of
lovely
course.
talking
Thank
to
you so much.